Hello chillins, it's Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator. Right, today I'm wanting to paint this Velux window. There's 4 in total. I'm going to use, you've seen in a previous video, it's over there, using the H2O Liquid Masking. Now a lot of people said, oh, time and everything like that. It was alright, I was quite impressed with it. I was quite happy using it on those windows. You can go onto the actual frame of the window, then when you come to spray paint, you've gone onto the glass that's got this on it. If you haven't seen that video, please watch that one, you'll get the idea. But I'm going to go with this, mainly because I've got the time. Let's talk about the liquid masking. Get where the tape is, peel the tape, and hopefully peeling the tape off will bring the masking off at the same time. So shall I have a go? Got my putty knife to start a bit of peel. So if I start in the corners, just peel the tapes away. Oh, it's doing it. Pulling the tape off is pulling off the liquid masking with it. Brilliant, what a way of doing it. And it's off, let's move around so you've got me alive. And it's off, it's biodegradable, water soluble, so you can just stick that in the bin, do what you want with it. It works, it works, it works, it works.